Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel when I teach you how to grow on YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a watermark for your YouTube channel so you can gain subscribers easier. So let's get to it. First you want to go to the YouTube website, not the app. And then you see this free right here? You want to go down, desktop site. Then go to here. Let's see. YouTube channel. And then customize channel. Then either option get the app, which you don't need to do, or continue the studio. Remember, you can only do this when you enable desktop mode. Okay. You go to binding. Then you go down. And you see video watermark. So you hit upload. Then you go to browse. And you just pick one of these. Well, how do you make a watermark, you say? Well, ask. Well, let's get to that. An app I recommend is Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. It's really good, really simple, and good for starting out. So you would go to this one right here, the one where we got. And then go to color. Pick one of these colors and whatever. Pick a color that stands out, so I like blue. And then let's do this. Sticker. Okay. Fine. That should do it. Okay. Hit download. Okay. Go back. Go to here. And go to upload. Go to browse. And you see right there that that's your watermark. Now you can change it to end the video. We got good all these free attention. Or a custom start time. A good time that would be 5 seconds into your video. Or entire video. So your best bets are entire video or custom start time. And there we go. And that's really not all. Then we hit purpose. And now that's my watermark. Okay. That is all. Bye y'all.